How to sweep Formiga and before he posts his leg to swim his arm under my arm. All I'm going to do is I'm going to wizard him, cup my hand, post my hand on his shoulder, and lock. Right? You know, like the guillotine that the devil just showed, like here. It's same lock. All right, so he swim, I block, cup my hand on the ball of his shoulder here. Post my hand on my wrist, keep this tight, tuck my elbow, and I will switch. Now, the hook, I'm still going to have the hook, but the foot that was resting, bending inside, I'm going to bring the other leg, hooking, and what I'll do is I lean, and I want to make sure that I lean, twisting his body here. Alright? You can finish with almost like I'll show next. So he swam his arm in. I post my hand on his shoulder, kind of lift him up a little bit, lock, switch my hook. So here, this hook, this leg will hook. Now, what I do is, as I'm leaning, I have to make sure that on my outside, I need to pull him. So see how I twist my upper body here? Look at here. I twist. Boom. Okay? Alright. Post. Lock. Now, this elbow, it's important to lock. Okay? So, the foot that was resting now will lock. And as I'm not only going this way, look how I twist my body here. Rolling on the shoulder here, look. I can go on top, or I can just move here. Alright? Locking the arm. You gotta be lucky to have that happening. You know, luck, I mean, you know, have to have a perfect weather condition. Here. So I kind of slide, and that's why if I want to finish like that, that's why it's important to tuck your elbow right here. Now I switch my hook. Look my upper body. I'm facing the knees there. I have to turn and look to Renzi here. Alright? Kick. Here. I can go up. Right here. Alright? Yeah.
Left hand too.
Yeah. So when I finish, it's here. Here I slide, bringing my forearm, pushing shoulder down, sliding my forearm almost under his elbow, and I'm arching my body back. Okay? Until it pops his elbow. One more time.